Every single day, thousands of developers, students, and career switchers type the exact same question into Google. Should I learn AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud? And honestly, most of the answers they find are confusing, outdated, or completely ignore what actually matters: your goals, your background, and your career path. Here is the truth nobody tells you up front. There is no single best cloud platform, but there absolutely is a best one for you. And by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly which one to start with, why it matters, and how to get moving without wasting months learning the wrong thing. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is where we break down high-value technical skills in a way that actually makes sense, whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to level up fast. Let's get into it. Before we compare the three giants, let's make sure we are on the same page about what cloud computing actually means. Because if you are new to this, the term can sound more complicated than it really is. Think of cloud computing like this. Instead of buying your own powerful server, setting it up in your office and maintaining it every day, you basically rent computing power, storage, and tools from a massive data center, owned by someone else. You pay only for what you use. You can scale up or down instantly, and you can access it from anywhere in the world. That is the cloud. Simple as that. Now here is why this matters so much right now. Almost every company on the planet, from tiny startups to massive corporations like Netflix, Airbnb, and NASA, runs their technology on cloud platforms. This means cloud skills are not just useful anymore. They are required for most modern tech roles. The cloud computing market is worth hundreds of billions of dollars, and it is growing every single year. Job roles like cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, cloud architect, and even data engineer now list cloud certifications as their #1 requirement. So whether you want to become a developer, a data scientist, a cybersecurity professional, or just want to earn more money in your current tech role, cloud knowledge is your fastest path forward. Let's start with AWS, which stands for Amazon Web Services. This is the oldest of the three major cloud platforms, launched back in 2006, and it has been the undisputed market leader ever since. Right now, AWS holds somewhere around 31 to 33% of the entire global cloud market. That is a massive share. AWS offers over 200 services, everything from basic virtual machines and storage to machine learning tools, databases, networking, and even satellite management. Some of the most popular AWS services you will hear about constantly are EC2 for computing, S3 for storage, Lambda for running code without managing servers, and RDS for databases. So who should learn AWS? If your goal is to maximize job opportunities, AWS is your answer. Because AWS has the largest market share, it also has the most job listings worldwide. Recruiters on LinkedIn are constantly looking for AWS certified professionals. If you search cloud jobs on any major job board right now, AWS will dominate the results. Now let's talk about Microsoft Azure. Azure is the second largest cloud platform, currently holding around 22 to 25% of the market. It was launched in 2010 and has grown incredibly fast, especially in the enterprise world. Here's the key thing to understand about Azure. It is the cloud platform of choice for companies that already run Microsoft products. We are talking about companies using Windows Server, Active Directory, Microsoft 365, Teams, and SQL Server. Because Azure integrates so deeply with all of these tools, large enterprises are naturally drawn to it. Azure offers a similarly massive catalog of services: virtual machines, Kubernetes, AI and machine learning tools, analytics, and more. Some key Azure services you will frequently see are Azure Virtual Machines, Azure Blob Storage, Azure DevOps, and Azure Active Directory. So who should learn Azure? If you are already working in a corporate environment, IT department, or a company that runs heavy Microsoft infrastructure, Azure is absolutely the most logical path for you. The transition feels natural because everything connects to tools you already know. Azure is also increasingly dominant in sectors like healthcare, finance, government, and education. Industries that prefer working with a large, trusted vendor like Microsoft. Third on the list is Google Cloud Platform, or GCP. Google Cloud currently holds around 10 to 12% of the market, smaller than AWS and Azure, but growing fast and extremely powerful in specific areas. Here is what makes Google Cloud different and genuinely exciting. Google built the internet's most powerful infrastructure. Things like Gmail, YouTube, Google Maps, and Google Search all run on Google's own infrastructure. And Google Cloud gives you access to that same technology. Where Google Cloud absolutely shines is in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data analytics. Google's AI tools are considered best in class by many experts. Services like BigQuery for massive data analysis, Vertex AI for machine learning, and TensorFlow, which Google invented, make GCP the first choice for data-heavy teams and AI-focused organizations. Some key Google Cloud services include Google Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, BigQuery, Kubernetes Engine, which is actually something Google created originally, and Looker for data visualization. So who should learn Google Cloud? If you are interested in AI, machine learning, data engineering, or data science, Google Cloud is a seriously strong choice. Many companies building AI-first products choose GCP because the tools are just more advanced in that area. Here is the simple decision framework I want you to use. Ask yourself these 3 questions. Question 1. What kind of company do you want to work at? If it is a startup, tech company, or any general tech role, choose AWS. If it is a large corporation, enterprise, or government sector, choose Azure. If it is a data company, AI startup, or research organization, choose Google Cloud. Question 2. What skills do you already have? If you have any Microsoft or Windows IT background, Azure is a natural extension of what you already know. If you have a data or programming background, Google Cloud will feel very aligned with your skills. If you are starting completely from scratch, AWS has the largest volume of beginner learning resources available. Question 3. Where are the jobs in your region? Take 15 minutes right now and go to LinkedIn or Indeed. Search for cloud jobs in your city or country. Look at which platform appears the most in the job descriptions. That data will tell you exactly what the local market wants. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this content. Subscribe if you have not already, because every week we drop practical guides on cloud, AI, coding, and the tech skills that actually matter in today's job market. And drop a comment below telling me which platform you are planning to start with. I read every single one. Until next time, keep building, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.